Rear stabilizer arm replacement. Jack it up and put it on stands. Remove the inner clip. Remove the nut. There are two types, M8 and M10. The inner cover came off. Remove the undercover. I broke a nail. Fix the broken nail with a cable tie. Remove the bolts and nuts under the shock absorber. They are M18 and E14. Remove the bolts and nuts under the stabilizer arm. They are M13 and A12. Remove the bolt above the shock absorber using E14. Slide the shock absorber aside and remove the bolt above the stabilizer arm. You will need a T50 and an M52. Old and new stabilizer arms. The rubber on the old one has reached the end of its life. After the replacement, a driving test showed that the tires absorbed vibrations better and the ride was more comfortable.